Good evening, dear students. Welcome to Infinity Learn Mathematics in a simple way. In this video, we are going to discuss or solve the what properties on definite integral that will be asked in the part E question number 59 for 6 marks. Out of 4 property, you will get the what one property as a definite for proof and problem. Property, proof and problem you will get. So both you are get the what 6 marks property and problem. Yes, see here this property first one integration of a to b f of x dx. Here what is a means what here lower limit, b means what here upper limit. Integration of a to b f of x dx. F of x is what function here. If you a to b, that is equal to what a to b integration of a to b f of t dt. See here what is changing here, x is changing to what t. So this property is called as what change of variable. This property is called as what change of variable. Change of variable. This property we are using the to prove the what remaining properties. Yes. The second one integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to see here minus b to a. See here what is happen here. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾ हो रहा है यहाँ पर कहते limits are interchanging in the left hand side. See here limits are what a to b here, but these limits are changing, that is what b to a. If you interchange the limit, then the sign of the integral will be changed. Sign of the what integral will be changed. This is called as what change of a sign, we can say change of limit variable. Yes, right, change of limit property. This is called as what change of limit. Change of limit. Change of limit means what we are changing the limit. If we interchange the limit, then the sign of the integral will be what change. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ चेंज आगोते. अगर हम लिमिट को चेंज इंटरचेंज करें तो क्या होता है इंटीग्रेशन का साइन चेंज होता. यस, नेक्स्ट दीज आर दी व्हाट टू प्रॉपर्टीज. ये दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज का इस्तेमाल करको ಇದನ್ನ ಎರಡನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೂವಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದಿ ವಾಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ನೌ. See here the first very important property for the point of your examination. Prove that 0 to a integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Yes, see here and hence evaluate first problem 0 to 5 by 4 log 1 plus tan x. This property and this problem has been asked in the year March 2014 for 6 marks. And the second problem, same property, only problem is changed. 0 to 5 by 2 root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x dx. That this problem and property has been asked in the year July 2016. And the third problem 0 to 5 by 2 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x dx is dx. This problem has been asked in the year what March 2017 and the same property. Then fourth one 0 to a root x divided by root x plus root a minus x dx, that is March 2018. Then fifth 0 to 5 by 2 cos raised to 5x divided by sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to 5x dx, March 2019. So these are the what problems that has been asked in the previous years, that is March 14, July 16, March 17, March 18 and March 19. So let us first we will prove the what property, then we will solve the what problem one by one. Yes, see here we are going to prove the what first property. Yes, all of you written this one. Yes, it is very important because you will lose the marks in the what LPP if you commit any side mistake. Definitely you will commit the what mistake in the what LPP. If you go through this property and problem, you will not get the what, you will not lose your marks. Sorry, you will not lose your marks, you will get the what out of out marks. Yes, sorry. See here, to prove this one, write the first step as it is solution. Write the first step as it is integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to. Yes, write the solution as it is, that is first step. Now take RHS. RHS is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now what I am doing here, I am taking what substitution method to prove this one. Yes, put a minus x is equal to what t. Put a minus x is equal to what t. After taking the substitution, first interchange the limit. See here, when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to what 0, This is lower limit when x is equal to a. When x is equal to what? A. See here, it means what? When x is equal to 0, put the value of x is what? 0 here. A minus 0 is what? A. Then the value of t is what? A. Yes. When x is equal to a minus a is what? 0. T is equal to what? 0. Yes. Now again I am taking this one, a minus x is equal to t. Right, once more, one time again. Now differentiate this one. Differentiate with respect to what? T. Derivative of a is constant here. Derivative of a is what? 0. Not necessary to write. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? Minus dx divided by dt. Derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Now dx is equal to dt minus dx is equal to, now dx is equal to what? Minus dt. Minus dt. Yes. Now come to the what here? RHS, to the part of what? RHS, that is equal to whatever we have did here, that we are using here. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಳಸಿವಲ್ಲ सब्स्टिट्यूशन लिमिट इंटरचेंज ಮಾಡಿವಲ್ಲ, that we are using here. जो भी यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूशन लिया मैं, इसका सब का इस्तेमाल यहाँ पर प्रूफ में लगाते हैं. देखो 0 to a, first 0 means when we take x is equal to 0, the value of t is what? A. That is a. When x is equal to a, t is what? 0. T is what? 0. Then f of a minus x means what? T. Dx means what? Minus dt. Minus dt. Yes. Now take this minus sign outside, that is minus a to 0 f of t, a to 0 f of t dt. Yes. Now what I am doing, I am interchanging the limit. By the second property, as I told before only, if you interchange the limit, then the sign will be changed. It is already minus. What I am doing here, I am writing 0 to a. 0 to a means it will become what? Minus, and this minus. Minus into minus, plus. Clear? If you interchange the limit, this minus will disappear, because one more minus you will get. That minus into minus is what? Plus. Now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ನಾವು 0 to a f of t dt. Now that is equal to 0 to a. Now change of variable. Change of variable. We can change t to what? X. Nothing will be changed. That is what? First property. By the what? First property. F of x dx. That is equal to what? LHS. Hence the proof of the what? Property. Yes. Therefore, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. F of a minus x dx. Hence the proof of the property. This is the what? Your proof. In this way we have to prove the what? Property. Yes. See here, as we know that, so evaluate. After proving the property, we have to evaluate the problem. You will get the what? 6 marks. If you only solve the what property, you will get the what? 3 marks. Yes. See here, I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4. So write this one, I is equal to first. Yes. So what our property says, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. See here, 0 to a, x change to what? A minus x. See here, where is the x here? Here. By applying the above property, x change to what? A means what here? 5 by 4. A minus x means what here? 5 by 4 minus x. 5 by 4 minus x. Instead of a, what is here? 5 by 4. We have to do the what? A minus x. now ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ a minus x करना है यहाँ पर क्या करना है a minus x करना है लेकिन यहाँ पर है क्या इंस्टेड ऑफ a बदली ಏನೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5/4 ಐತಿ x change to what 5/4 minus x see here now I is equal to 0 to 5/4 log 1 plus tan 5/4 minus x. Now tell me the next step what to do. tan A minus B formula. We have to apply the what? Tan A minus B formula. What is the tan A minus B? See here, tan A minus B is nothing but tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. That you already learned in the what? First PUC. Yes, this formula we are applying, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4. This log as it is, this 1 as it is. Now we are applying the formula to this step. What is A here? 5 by 4. What is B here? X. That is tan 5 by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan 5 by 4 tan x. Tan 5 by 4 tan x dx. That is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4 log 1 plus the value of tan 5 by 4. The value of this tan 5 by 4 is what? 1. In the place of that we are writing what? 1 minus tan x as it is divided by 1 plus 1 into tan x dx. 1 into tan x is what? Tan x. Now I is equal to what? 0 to 5 by 4 log, see here, 1 into 1 into tan x into 1 is what? Tan x plus 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus LCM. Take LCM. 1 into tan x is what? Tan x. LCM we are writing here. 1 plus tan x, then 1 into this. 1 into 1 into tan x. Tan x into 1 is what? Tan x. So there is no need to write this one here. Yes, it is to be understood. Tan 5 by 4 means what? 1. The value of this tan 5 by 4 was 1. 1 into tan x is what? Tan x. 1 into tan x is what? Tan x. Yes. Now dx is equal to this tan x and this tan x cancel. Yes. Plus tan x minus tan x cancel. Then I is equal to, I am writing the next steps here. See here, I will rub this one. The use of this property and formula is over now. See here, then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4 log 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Log 2 divided by 1 plus tan x dx. This is equation called, this first one is what? This equation 1. Yes, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4. Now applying the property of logarithm, log m by n is nothing but log m minus n. See here, log m by n. I am writing here log 2 minus log 1 plus tan x. 1 plus tan x dx. That is log m by n. Because by using what? Log m by n is nothing but log m minus n. Now I am separating these two terms and integrating with the what? Limit 0 to 5 by 4 with respect to x. Now I is equal to, this log 2 is constant, take outside. Log 2 is what? Outside. 0 to 5 by 4 into dx. This minus 0 to 5 by 4 log 1 plus tan x. Tan x dx. Now see here, this is I is equal to log 2 0 to 5 by 4 dx minus, instead of this I am writing I from equation 1. The value of this is what? I from 1. From 1. I am writing reason here from 1. From 1 I am using, this is replaced by what? I. Now I am taking minus I to the left hand side. I plus I is what? 2I. That is log 2 0 to 5 by 4 dx. Now 2I is equal to log 2 as it is. Integration of dx is what? X. Between the limit what? 0 to 5 by 4. Then 2I is equal to log 2. First substitute the upper value, that is 5 by 4 minus lower limit what? 0. Yes. Then I is equal to log 2 as it is. This 2 comes here. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are what? 8. 5 by 8 minus 0. 5 by 8 minus 0 means what? 5 by 8 itself. Therefore, I is equal to what? 5 by 8 into log 2. So, this is your final answer. So, this is your final answer. Any doubts? This is very easy problem. So, first of all, I will write the answer this one. That is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x dx is equal to what? 5 by 4. So, the answer is what? 5 by 4. Now, I is equal to what here? 5 by 4. Yes. Then 2i is equal to what? 5 by 2 minus 0. Then 2i is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 dx. 2i is equal to what? 0 to 5 by 2 dx. Then I is equal to what? 2i is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 root sin x plus root cos x divided by root sin x plus root cos x dx. Now this will cancel. Yes. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Yes. Now this one I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 root cos x divided by root cos x plus root sin x dx. This is equation 2. Yes. Now by the prop I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. I is equal to what? 0 to 5 by 2 root sin 90 minus x divided by root sin 90 minus x plus root cos 90 minus x dx. Yes. Now by the property integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Answer is over. See here, I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x dx. Call this as equation 1. By the property, above property, what we have already proved, that is integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. But after applying this property, I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 as it is. This x becomes, this x changed to what? 5 by 2 minus x. This x changed to what? 5 by 2 minus x. X changed to what? 5 by 2 minus x. Now I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. Equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Left hand side what is here? I plus I. 2i. So what is common here? Integration of 0 to 5 by 2. Integration of 0 to 5 by 2 is common. See here, denominator of this one, equation 1, and denominator of equation 2 is what? Same. Root cos x plus sin x means also same. Root sin x plus cos x means also same. Write denominator as it is. Add only numerator values, that is root sin x plus root cos x dx. Now root sin x plus root cos x get cancelled. 2i is equal to only dx. Integration of dx is what? X. 2i is equal to what here? X between the limit 0 to 5 by 2. I forgot this step. Yes. 2i is equal to what? X 0 to 5 by 2. Now first substitute the what? Upper limit, that is 5 by 2. Then minus of the what? Lower limit. 5 by 2 minus 0 is what? 5 by 2. 2 2s are 4. That is I means what here? This one. 0 to 5 by 2 root sin x divided by root sin x plus cos x is what? 5 by 4. Yes, here solution. Next problem. I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. It is also very important. It will be also asked. He may also ask this problem also, because it is based on the what? The property only. I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x dx. So here first we have to simplify this one. Write the first step of the solution as it is. As it is, we have to write the first step. Yes. Now I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x can written 2 sin x cos x. The formula of sin 2x nothing but 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. We are using the what? Double angle of what? Sin 2x. That is 2 sin x cos x. Yes. Then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 2 log sin x minus here log m n p log m into n into p log m plus log n plus log p log 2 plus log sin x plus log cos x log cos x dx. Yes. Now I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 2 log sin x 0 to 5 by 2 2 log sin x minus log 2 minus log sin x minus log cos x minus log cos x dx. Yes. See here, then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 2 log sin x minus log sin x is what? 2 log sin x will be there. I am removing in from this log sin x is what? Log sin x remains. Log sin x minus log 2 minus log cos x dx. Yes. Then tell me the next steps. How to do? Now by property 0 to a f of x dx 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now I am applying the what property. Now I am applying the what property here. Wherever x is there, apply what 5 by 2 minus x 5 by 2 minus x. This log 2 as it is. Log 2 is what? As it is. Therefore, I is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 2 log sin 90 minus x. Sin 90 minus x minus log 2 as it is minus log cos 90 minus x. Cos 90 minus x dx. Now I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 log sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x minus log 2 minus log cos 90 minus x is what? Log sin x dx. Equation 2. Equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. One and equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. I plus I is what? 2i. I plus I is what? 2i. Now 2i is equal to, write the left hand side value I plus I. This one. I plus I is what? 2i. Now 2i is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. See here, while adding, directly add it here only. See here, log cos x, yes, plus log cos x minus log cos x get cancelled. See here, we are adding this one. This plus this means what? This is minus, this is plus. Plus and minus value will get cancelled. Same values are there. This is minus log cos x, this is plus log cos x. This will be cancelled. Then plus log sin x minus log sin x, it is also cancelled. Minus log 2 and this minus log 2. Minus 2 log 2. Minus 2 log 2 dx. It means what? Minus log 2 minus log 2 means nothing but minus 2 log 2. Is clear now? Minus log 2 minus log 2 is what? Minus 2 log 2. Yes. Now 2i is equal to minus 2 log 2 integration of 0 to 5 by 2 dx. Now what I will do here? I will cancel this 2 and this 2. 2 ones are cancel. That is I is equal to log 2 minus log 2. Integration of dx is what? X between the limit 0 to 5 by 2. Now I is equal to minus log 2. First substitute the upper limit, that is what? 5 by 2 minus of the what? Lower limit, that is 0. Yes. Then I is equal to minus log 2 into 5 by 2 is what? Minus pi by 2 log 2. Pi by 2 minus 0 is what? Pi by 2. So this is what your final answer. This is what your final answer. Clear? Any doubts? One more thing. This plus log sin x, after adding, this will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. Yes? Minus log cos x plus log cos x cancel. Only remaining what here? Minus log 2 and minus log 2. Yes? Minus log 2. It will become what? Minus 2 log 2. Minus 2 log 2. Next problem. Evaluate 0 to a. It is also, it will be also asked. Yes? He may ask this problem also. With the what? Property. Property remains the same and problems will be changed. Yes? Same process we are applying the what? Applying the in the first step only property. Yes? Call this as equation 1 first. Equation 1. Now by the property I am writing what? Why I am writing? Because you will come to know that how we are applying the property. By the property, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. F of a minus x dx. Now I is equal to, applying this property to this, that is 0 to a, x change to what? A minus x plus a as it is a minus of a minus x dx. Now I is equal to 0 to a root of a minus x divided by root of a minus x plus root of a minus plus x dx. Now plus a minus a get cancel. This will get cancel. Yes. Now I is equal to root of a minus x divided by a minus x plus root x dx. This is what? Equation 2. Now again adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. 1 and equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Yes. I plus I, 2i, 0 to a. See here, denominator root a minus x plus root x plus root a minus x. Denominator is same. So keep denominator as it is, that is root x plus root a minus x. Yes, add the numerator. What is the numerator here? Root x. And what is the numerator of equation 2? Root a minus x. Root x plus root a minus x dx. Now this term and this term get cancelled. Now 2i is equal to what? 0 to a dx. Now 2i is equal to what? X between the limit 0 to a. Now 2i is equal to what? Substitute the upper limit first a, then minus of the what? Lower limit. Then a minus 0 means what? A. Then I is equal to what? A by 2. So this is what your final answer. I is equal to what? A by 2. Last you can write, therefore integration of 0 to a root x divided by root x plus root a minus x dx is equal to what? A by 2. A by 2. A by 2. Next problem. I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 cos raised to 5x divided by sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to 5x dx. Call this as equation 1. By applying the property, what is the property here? By property, by property integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. A minus x dx. A minus x dx. Now apply the property. Wherever x is there, change. What is the value of a here? 5 by 2. That is I is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 2 cos raised to 5 by 2 minus x divided by sin raised to 5 by 2 minus x plus cos raised to 5 pi by 2 minus x dx. Now by the complementary angles of trigonometric functions, cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. 0 to 5 by 2 sin raised to 5x divided by cos raised to 5x plus sin raised to 5x. Here cos 90 minus x sin x, sin 90 minus x cos 90 minus x sin x dx. Equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. I plus I. See the left hand side. I plus I is what? 2i. Then 2i is equal to, denominator is same, 0 to 5 by 2. What is the denominator here? Cos raised to 5x plus sin raised to 5x. Cos raised to 5x plus sin raised to 5x. Add the numerator. Cos raised to 5x plus sin raised to 5x. Cos raised to 5x plus sin raised to 5x dx. Cancel this. Then 2i is equal to what? 0 to 5 by 2 dx. Then 2i is equal to x between the limit 0 to 5 by 2. Then 2i is equal to 5 by 2 minus 0. Then 2i is equal to what? 5 by 2. Then I is equal to what? 5 by 4. What is the value of I? I means this one. Therefore, integration of 0 to 5 by 2 cos raised to 5x divided by sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to 5x dx is equal to 5 by 4. Is equal to what? 5 by 4. So this is the what first important property. So thank you so much for watching my channel. In the next video we are going to solve the what remaining properties. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.